Assalamualaikum. In the beginning, the name of Allah, who is most almighty and most merciful. So in this video, we are going to learn web development via Visual Studio Code installation. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, so subscribe my channel for new video and new content. So simply, I am here in my desktop. I am going to simply download this site that name is that called VS Code, but that's its short form is equal to full form is the Visual Studio Code that you can see, and you can click and install it from here. This is the download here and here. You can download. I am going to simply minimize it. I have downloaded it. I am going to simply double click on it. This is my setup of Visual Studio VS Code. Visual Studio Code. As you can see, this is my setup. Simply, I am going to work in it. First, I am going to choose the I expect the argument and next. After that, I am going to select the all icons. You have to do it too, and the next two, and install. So after installment, there will be an icon of VS Code here in our desktop. So that is saying prepare for installment. So in this we are going to, in Visual Studio Code, we have to download two extensions too, and we are going to wait for it for the loading the installment that is being on our desktop screen. So as you can see, it has been installed. I am not going to launch Visual Studio now and finish simply. I am going to left click on my screen and making a new folder. I have simply made a new folder. Now what I will do? First I will name the folder. I will name the folder WebDevelopment in English. After that, I am going to bring and enter and then putting my web development in English in my Visual Studio Code. There are three extensions to install. First one is live server. The second, there will be an option to choosing the theme. You can choose the theme in like that. After that, I am simply coming extensions. After coming in extensions, there will be install it and recommend it. In search extension, I am simply first closing the welcome page. Wait a second. Now I am simply searching something. What I am searching here, live server. So the use of live server is show the web view of it. The first one I am going to right click on it and install it. So if there is any problem on it, so you can use something else to show the web view, but I prefer you that you have to install live server because I had used it and it gave me good performance. So this was the first extension. That as you can see, there is a installation option. I am simply clicking F11 to be full screen of VS Code. So I am simply telling you there is my extension installing there. As you can see, it has been installed and there will be a go live. Click to run live server. So there is an option here too. So I am going to write here next, that is VS Code icon. That will be changing the icons. There is VS Code icon. I am going to simply click in install. That is going to install. After that, we are going to install our theme, that is that will wait. We are going to use a theme that is going to provide us a change color like not be gray. So I am going to write here dark. After writing dark, there will be the one dark row. Simply, as you can see, one dark row. There are more options you can see. That is our one dark row. That is one, and one is the dark only. So I am using dark. You can use the one dark row or something else. I am going to simply install it, and it is installing. So I will wait for our time. That, as you can see, there will be a dark mode and new to dark. I am going to simply has been done, and I am going to finish the extension page and coming in my Explorer. So I am going to tell you the basic. That is our Explorer, where there will be our files that we are going to create. After that, there will be a search bar and source control and run and debug, and then extensions, profile, account, and manage. There will be like this simple Explorer, and there will be our file name, and these are things where we have to put our Visual Studio Code. As you can see, now I am simply coming here in my Explorer. There will be an option new file, and there will be an option new folder. There will be option refresh Explorer and call path folder in Explorer. So simply I am now from here we can create a file. First we have to create a folder. I am going to name it HTML, enter, HTML, enter, and that is our HTML folder. When I right click on it, after that if I create any file, it is going to come in my HTML folder. So this was my introduction of Visual Studio, the basic of Visual Studio, and the 3 extension and then Installment. So if you like my video, subscribe my channel. Don't forget to bell icon. I am going to meet you next time, and don't forget to bell icon and like. I am going to meet you next time. Allah Hafiz.